Hi everybody, Monty here. Mathia, I want to congratulate so many of you for getting to this point. I was hoping we could just continue straight away because here's parallel and perpendicular lines. We are right here with the class. Totally caught off guard by this problem because look at all the information right here. Slopes of parallel lines. Well, that's what we've been doing in class, but all of a sudden they put 4 different versions here. All of you have the skills to do the rise over the run, okay? But then it introduces the idea of composites and putting equations together. Not sure we're quite ready for that, okay? So in this problem, what we're trying to do is balance equations. Remember when you used to do that, right? Balance equations, whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. I know not all of us have done that. And then you click on this little arrow thinking, hey, I can do this. What do I put here? Well, we're trying to move the 2x, and we actually put 2x here. Hit enter. Okay. And 2x minus 2x is 0, but I still have this negative 10 on this side, and it's correct. The equation 2x equals 2x minus 10 is not true because 0 is not equal to negative 10. So, wow, I got that right. This means that the two lines described by the functions 2x and 2x minus 10, 2x minus 10, they're parallel lines. No, they do not have an intersection point, so they're parallel. They never touch. They are the same line. That can't be the same line. Have a point. There it is. Okay. So if you get to this problem, which is the very first problem on parallel and perpendicular lines, we're in a great place. We're going to have to wait until class catches up so that we can think about how to do these problems. Talk to you real soon. Bye.